Hello, and welcome to Suburban Testing Lab's Suburban Client Connect video tutorial series. Today we're going to discuss the methodology section of our online report access system, Client Connect. So let's get started. When you open up our website, SuburbanTestingLabs.com, you'll see the online report access icon right here on the top of our screen. It's also available under the Resources tab from anywhere on our website. In order to log in, you go ahead and click on that, and it brings up this web page. Since we recently upgraded our computer system for our online report access, if you're looking for results after April 6th, you're going to click here, and in this situation we are going to be doing that. Now keep in mind, you can use Suburban Client Connect even before you're a customer that has submitted results. So if you would like to get set up with a username and password, you can always contact your salesperson and they can get you hooked up with that, no problem. Once you have a username and a password, you're going to go ahead and log in here. And click the arrow, and here you are. You can see ABC Company, I'm Jane Soyle, and here's 2 example projects that I had submitted. Again, today we're going to review the methodology section of our website. What this allows you to do is search for sampling information, reporting limit, MDL limit information, and quality control limits for various methods and analytes. Underneath the search drop-down, there's various ways that you can look for this information. Probably one of the easiest is the analysis, and we're going to go ahead and use that as an example today. Once you select that drop-down, each analysis that is in our information system will show up here in alphabetical order. If you're looking for a particular parameter, we're going to look at volatiles. You can highlight a test anywhere in here and just click on the button on your keyboard V, and that will allow you to go to the area in the alphabet that you're looking for. So that brought me down to the V's, and I'm going to look at the VOA 8260 TCL list. You can select multiple analysis by either dragging and dropping or holding down the control key and selecting more than one this way. Today we're just going to look at one. You can also highlight more than one matrix as well, and we're going to look at the non-potable and solid dry weight matrices. Then hit your arrow. What you'll notice is the analysis and for each matrix that you selected will appear down here. These 3 radio buttons control your view. The first thing that we're going to look at is sampling. Under the sampling section, you see for each analysis and matrix, you can view the holding time, the amount of sample that we need, the container type, and the preservative. When you're out in the field and you're not sure if you have the right container or you're concerned about holding time, this can be very, very valuable information for you. The next button is the detection limits. All of a sudden you'll see that you don't just have the analysis listed, but also each analyte. The units and the MDL and MRL will appear for each respective analyte. This is really important when you're planning a project that has very low detection limits. You want to find out if we meet our standard detection limits with our MRL or if we need to report down to our MDL. And this information can be found easily at your fingertips right here. The third section in the methodology area is QC control limits. You also see this listed by analyte, and it shows our QC control limits. This can also be valuable when you're preparing to do a sampling project that requires data packages and you want to see how wide or how narrow our acceptance criteria are for various analytes. So what we did today is we looked at the methodology section of our Client Connect online report access. We looked at the sampling, detection limit, and QC control limit section, and now you know how to look up information valuable to you when you're preparing for a sampling event. One last tip. If you forget any of this and don't have the ability to review this tutorial again, just remember that on our online report access page, you can click on our Access User Guide. and this can be available to you at any time, and it will review each aspect of our online report access so that you can easily find out the information that you need. That concludes our first tutorial on the methodology section of our Client Connect. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.